everyone, welcome to our room tour of the Hotel Indigo. Hotel Indigo is located at 435 West Katella Avenue in Anaheim. It is on the corner of Harbor Boulevard and Katella. It is a small boutique hotel, rated number 8 out of 125 hotels in Anaheim. It is about a 15-minute walk to Disneyland Park, or 7/10 of a mile. We consider this on the outskirts of walking distance.
Indigo offers free parking at the time of filming. There's a limited amount of parking outside. Indigo also has an underground parking structure, which has ample parking. Just be aware that a number of the spots do tend to run small if you have a larger vehicle, or if you're particular about your parking spot, there are a number of protected and wider spots. The elevator is located in the lobby near the main entrance doors. The elevator is a fun ride with views of West Katella. When you exit the elevator, you have this neatly lit hallway. The hallway has vibrant lights that change color throughout the day. After a brief walk down the hallway, let's go ahead and check out room 324. Crystal will be giving us a guided tour.
We booked a 2-queen room, and it has nice crisp white linens, 4 pillows on each bed, and the beds were very comfortable. Another thing we noticed in the room were all these rounded corners on all the furniture. We had an incident with our oldest son when he was pretty little, falling off a bed in a hotel and getting a big gash on the back of his head from a sharp corner. So we always like to see the rounded edges. Also throughout the room are a lot of outlets. There's 2 right by the front door. There's 1 on each side of the bed. There's 2 here. Also 2 USB ports here on the desk. And over by the beds, there's also 2 outlets and a USB and the clock radio. So plenty of outlets. And one more thing that I noticed and I really enjoyed is there are a lot of lights in this room. A lot of times hotel rooms feel kind of dark, and there are a ton of lights, and it really helps having the lighting, especially like in the mornings doing your makeup. And that leads me to the next thing, there's 2 mirrors outside of the bathroom to get ready in. So if you're in a group of girls, you have a lot of people trying to get ready, doing their makeup, that's 2 extra spaces they can get ready in besides the bathroom, which is great. We also do not smell any kind of odor in here at all. Nothing. There's no mold smell, no smoke smell, nothing. It smells pretty great in here. And last but not least, the room does have wood floor, which is kind of rare in a hotel room, but I actually really like it. This room has a lot of storage. There's this nice little bench here with storage underneath, and then all of these drawers in the dresser, which are really deep and large to put a lot of clothing in. There's also a Keurig coffee maker, and in here is a mini fridge, which is really handy. The mini fridge is a great size. You can fit a 30-ounce Starbucks cup in the door, and also the shelf is adjustable, so if you needed to fit like a gallon of milk, you could. So the bench that we showed you earlier is great to set your luggage on, but I do wish they had at least 1 luggage rack. It would go perfectly right in this area, but they don't have one. So it was a little tricky. Since it was just the 2 of us, I just put my bag on the bed, but I think if it was our whole family here, it would be a little tricky for our luggage, but that's okay. We would make it work. So the closet is ample. There's a really nice size safe, and that's a 15-inch MacBook inside of there, and of course an iron and ironing board like usual, but it is a good size closet with lots of hangers. So the bathroom is a great size. Look at all this storage. You can fit all of your toiletries up there, and there's even storage down below with more towels. We booked this room with only 2 people, but there were 4 towels. And it does have this really neat mirror with the lighting built into it, which Jim really likes. Another thing I was really impressed with were the addition of some hooks, because I feel like hotels never have enough places to hang your clothing or your towels. So I really like that there are some hooks. And then, wow, this shower is massive. It's bigger than our shower at home. It was a great shower, Lots of great water pressure. It did take a little long for the hot water to get here, but that's understandable. One thing we notice here that a lot of hotels do not have is there is a fan in the bathroom, which is great to get rid of all that steam from your showers. And there's an additional light over the shower, which is really nice as well. And the last bit of info that I personally really enjoyed was the toilet paper is really nice toilet paper. It's soft and thicker. It's not the really thin stuff that's usually in a hotel or in public restrooms. So that was a big surprise, and that was really nice for me. So I think our only complaint was this air conditioning unit was a little loud, and we didn't turn it on. It said off, but it kept turning on in the night, so we just unplugged it.
Indigo has a small fitness room, but it has plenty of equipment to get your workout done. Pool area is cozy with a limited amount of seating. The seating looks plush and comfortable. The pool area is a great place to escape from the park when you want to relax in the sun. One nice surprise was this beautiful cabana. This is a rarity near Disneyland. Next to the pool is a small eating area for the restaurant. This happened to be closed due to the pandemic when we visited. Finally, there is a laundry room located on the first floor.
That wraps up our room tour. We really hope you guys enjoyed this. We have never stayed at this hotel before, and we really enjoy it. We will definitely come back in the future. We paid for this out of our own pocket. No one is sponsoring us. We just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of where we were staying and what it looks like, because for me, when I'm planning our trips, I really like to see all the little details in the room so I know ahead what to expect. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.